welcome to our new video, and today we have the Mivi Duopods M40. These are budget, completely wireless Bluetooth earphones that are offered by Mivi. They are coming at a price point of around 2,500 rupees. So for the features they have, the price is justified. Let's see what all things we get inside the box. So on the top, we have the Mivi branding. I guess this is some paperwork. Let's keep that aside. These are the Mivi Duopods M40. Let's see what else we get, and then we'll get to the M40s. So inside here, there's nothing. In this cabinet, I guess we'll get a charging cable. So yes, here we have some extra ear tips and a charging cable. This is a simple micro USB charging cable. Now let's get to the Mivi Duopod M40s. So they come in a very tiny form factor, even tinier than the AirPods or the AirPods Pro. These look like something like eclairs which have been enlarged. This is a simple black case. There are two more colors. One is a purplish blue and a red. We have the Mivi branding on the top and nothing else. We just have a micro USB charging slot on the back right here. And let's open them. So they have a shiny finish to them, something like a chrome black finish. And here you can see the battery percentage. So you have 4 LEDs. Right now it's at 3, so it's nearly fully charged, and you get the red lights on top of the ear tips, the earpieces, to showcase that they are charging. You get up to 6 hours of playtime, and with the case you get up to 24 hours of battery life. So you get 18 hours more playtime with the case because it has inbuilt battery inside. They are also waterproof. They are sweat proof, IPX 4.0 rating. Now let's come to the earpieces. So the earpieces on top have a touch sensitive area. So one tap to play and pause, one tap to receive and cut the calls, and 3 taps to activate your assistant. So they also support any assistant that is in your mobile devices like Google Assistant or Siri and even Alexa. These are magnetic, so they go inside here and magnetically they line up with the charging slots, and even the hinge is good. The case is not a very good material. It feels a bit cheap and plasticky, but for the price, the overall offering is really nice. So to start pairing, you'll just have to open the lid and remove the duopods. Just use your thumb finger and the index finger and grab them like this. Okay. So when you keep them somewhat like with the fingers distance, so they'll start blinking red and blue, and that will signify the pairing mode. So as you can see, the LED has started blinking red and blue, and you can pair it through any device, Android, iOS. It's simple. You have to go to the Bluetooth menu, go to the add new device menu, and then start pairing. You will get the device name as Mivi Duopods M40. So they are very simple to pair, and the voice quality is really nice. They have a canal design, so it really fits well in your ears. And because of the rubber tips, it also does not hurt even if you use it for a long time. The bass is really nice, and even the vocals are pretty clear. So for the amount you're paying, the 2,500 rupees, it is a real value for money deal, and you can get them for something around 2,000 rupees with the various offers that go on Amazon and also Mivi whenever the sales come and the deals come. So if you are planning to buy a truly wireless earphone and your budget is somewhere around 2,000 to 3,000 rupees, this is something that you can consider and really like go for. So let's meet you in the next one with something even more exciting.